Hi everybody, welcome. It is day 5 of Treasure Trovember. If you're new here, do go watch the welcome video. All the links are down below. That'll get you caught up. Really easy to catch up. These are really short videos every day. If you haven't registered, go to explore.collagelab.com/Trovember. Register. You'll get some more information and a free guide called 30 Tips for 30 Days. So today, day 5, the prompt is add dots. Add some dots to your collage. They can be paper, they can be paint, they can be ink, they can be spatters. They can be whatever you want them to be. As many and as big or small as you want. Add some dots to your collage today for day 5. And then we will see you back here tomorrow for day 6.